Good afternoon, learner. This is the last part of present tense that is known as present perfect continuous. And again the same four types of sentences: affirmative, negative, interrogative, interrogative, negative. In affirmative, the rule is subject plus have been, has been, plus verb in ing form, since, for, plus time. Have been will be used for plural number subject and has been for singular number subject. For example, I have been doing my work since 2 o'clock. Since and for is here, so let us understand where we can use since and where for. So for point of time we have to use since, like day's name we have to use since, like since Monday, since Tuesday, since Wednesday. Year we have to use since 1920, 2020. Whenever year will be there we have to use since. And for a period of time will be there, like for 2 days, for 1 month, for 2 years, and so and so. So for point of time we have to use since, and for period of time we have to use for. The example is here, he has been doing his work for 2 days. Here 2 days is there, so period of time we don't know from which time to which time in 2 days. That's why for is used. In negative, the rule is there, negative, subject, have not been, has not been, plus verb in ing form, plus since or for, plus time. Example is there, I have not been doing my work since Monday. So day's name is there, that's why since has been used. In interrogative, have and has is there, then subject is there, then been, then verb in ing form, then since, for, plus time. Example is there, has the teacher been teaching the children since 2 o'clock? Time is there, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, so we have to use since. The last one is the interrogative negative, and the rule says have and has first, then subject will be there, then not been will be there, and then verb will be in ing form, since or for will be used, then time will be there. For example, has your mother not been cooking food for 30 minutes or for a week, for 2 days, okay, for a month? So for period of time we have to use for, and for point of time we have to use since. I hope you understood the tense present, in which we discussed present indefinite, present continuous, present perfect, and present perfect continuous. I will meet you again with past tense in the same way in 4 parts, and I hope that if the video will be very small and short, you will give your time, like 2, 3, 4 minutes, watch it and understand it. If possible, note down in your copy also. Thank you and have a nice day.